Oh, no, I'm not letting them see that. Welcome back. Another wee video for the old Destination Modified. I'm working on this thing again. Again.
Yippee!
Again. Say it, Mark.
Again. Okay, now let's go.
Okay, go.
Okay, let's go.
We're trying these wee things on.
What is that, Kelvin?
Pullovers.
Straight from me and RHQ.
Yeah. So, no. We hours coming. You can read hours. You're not reading that today?
Yeah, that's not ideal.
Anyway, so we bonnet struts are they?
Yeah, they are indeed.
Sorry, hood dampener.
Hood dampener.
Oh yeah.
One of them.
Oh look, S15 1999 to 02. Like that. We well got that right that last time. Anyway, that's what it is. I don't know what you want to say about it. It's not. Woo! Yeah! Anyway, comes with a cotton bud because you've got to have clean ears before you do the work on these. Obviously, they don't know that cotton buds are bad, but anyway, I'll clean ears before we do it.
Are you stupid?
And then we'll somehow that'll help, I guess.
Mostly, yes.
Oh yeah!
You're a weapon.
What are you talking about, Matt?
Not you.
Me?
I thought I'd just take a little 2 seconds out of this video to say like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell icon.
And thank Callum for coming all this way. Whoa! Whoa, that was close. You almost seen it.
His perm looks fantastic. Tell him in the comments.
Alright, so we fired the wee bracket on. Obviously, no, this one because it's in my hand. This one down here. Fire it down, that, fire it down. And then, anyway, so you literally just loosen this one off, take that one right out, that in there. What you don't get the old washer jet pipe again. Right, so now we just put these on, but I'm pretty sure these just clip on. No, this could be the fun bit, you see, Kelvin. And then we put this on, then we close it down. We've put it on wrong, big dent in the bonnet. Fun and games, innit?
No danger.
No.
Please not.
Yeah. You see how much grease we've got? We've not went short with the grease anyway.
You know what I did, I think.
Time's
No,
up.
did he? Kelvin actually.
Fuck you.
I've already done it.
I actually can't be arsed with this guy, like, not the night.
I didn't know what I was doing. Cleaned my ear out. And then immediately knew what I was doing. It's great. Anyway, so we'll fire this wee grease in. I don't even know why we're showing them these. Like, folk are going to understand this. What is the point in that? You just put a wee bit grease in here, look. Oh yeah.
It's been a while.
Help me!
It's been a while, bro.
Just everything. Just it's Christmas.
It's Christmas.
Right, so we put it this way around because the other way I had it wrong before.
Right.
Anyway, so it just clips on there. You're just gonna give it a wee. Not quite like that. It's not. So we figured it out. I was being a bit stupid there. That wee pin that goes through there is a locking pin, obviously. That wee pin. You probably won't even focus on the mark. Anyway, I pull it out. See, it just pulls out like that. Now watch this. Oh no, it's gonna be an absolute nightmare to get back in, mind. So anyway, that just fires in there. Oh god, it's getting loose. In there like that. It just goes right in.
That's a good noise.
Fantastic.
And then we just fire this back in here.
Oh.
It's on. Bang in. Right, Kelvin, bruv, you just lift your wee bonnet up a wee bit. Take it off the wee stand a minute. Because I'll need to just. Not that bloody far. Need that in there. So, take the wee clip out. Fire that in there. Very simple when you know how.
It was a bit.
No, it was
It was
easy.
fidgety.
It was a pain in the ass. Anyway, so the wee clips that go on here, which you've seen here before, then wee fellies. they're alright to get in and out. Well, when you actually know what you're doing. I don't. Not lying here, no point disguising it. But trying to get it back in when you can't see it's a bit difficult because they're only really small. You've got to try and get them through the 2 holes. So it's a bit of a nightmare. But anyway, once they're through, they're fine. Like, no. So one's on. Yep. It's been proven, or proven, however you want to say it. 3 brake horsepower per side.
At least.
Yeah, it was proven.
Big dog.
Yeah, it was on the dyno, hub dyno and all, so it's legit. Like.
The main reason that I'm doing this, if you wanna come over here, Mark, thanks. Okay.
Oh.
Right, watch yourself, then. Let me get in a minute.
See, I'm in the middle of my shoot here.
Yeah, I'm in.
Anyhow, well, this big bed is to get rid of this because it's not setting right because of the the lights and the carbon cooling panel. So we will be deleting this.
Just less weight.
Weight reduction, but adding weight at the same time.
So you're taking a nice wee light steel bit, put it in a wee heavy steel bit.
Yeah, but ideally it's just easier, innit?
No,
Lazy like me.
That makes a good noise.
It does make a good noise. Go on, ASMR right now. Why are you zooming there, Mark?
You're pointing there.
Go to the bit that makes a noise. Go up to it.
Go right up to the new camera. Oh wow,
Ooh.
that is so sick.
Big fan.
Wow, worth every penny.
100%. Not really. We move. We move on this channel. Can't be forced. Just want to go home. This is my house.
What?
What?
You said?
Just saying I'm having a great time, Calvin, mate.
Never.
Didn't you? So it's now holding by itself.
Before Kelvin had it all, just the size of the man, he could just lift the whole bonnet himself.
Apart from Calvin needs to now do this, and we need the garage door open. So
No,
it's-
you can't do it. Like there is.
no,
Like I don't need to do it.
I'm allergic, mate. Manual labour's not my thing.
Yeah, that's it. A waste of it. You know what I mean? A waste of oxygen, Kelvin.
You're not getting that out of the door opening.
What's yourself?
Alright.
It's just you that's in the way.
Fucking hell, mate. Stop molesting me.
As if you'd complain. Right, open that door. And close the door.
It's cold outside.
Oh yeah.
Fantastic, mate. You are a weapon.
It's about as straight as you, that.
Very.
Yeah.
This bit.
I mean, that's the only bit you are, mate. About that bit there. Oh yeah, don't worry about the dents it puts in.
Well, let's open it back up and make sure it's not absolutely destroyed everything.
What if it doesn't open?
That'd be hilarious, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
No.
Oh yeah, let's see how it does. It watch your chin. Oh.
Big fan of that.
Oh, it's still going. Oh, just pumped.
That did me up for just a second there. But yeah, all good. So the bonnet struts have now been installed by myself, acting as Cal. So yeah, they weren't too bad to install, weren't they, Cal? Yeah.
Really no.
Good man.
Yeah.
So as you said earlier, it was a bit fidgety, but it wasn't too bad. But yeah, that's another job ticked off the list. Still waiting for parts to come in for this.
Oh boy.
But it's just gonna be a case of waiting again. Most of it's coming from abroad, so time scales are kind of all over the place, especially coming up to Christmas and stuff. So we will deal with that when it arrives. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video.
Probably didn't.
Probs not. It's not very exciting, but the exciting parts will be arriving soon. The turbo and stuff will be here shortly.
Big boosty boy.
Big fella. So, and then I will be buying a manifold this month. Hopefully through B&R HQ if the company that I'm looking to deal with signs up with them. So
with them.
with this guy.
With them.
Well, I'm part of it too. I did all the work.
I did. Whole like 22 products.
Exactly. That's right. Took a toll on my wrist.
Yeah.
But
No, it didn't. As if his wrist gets sore.
overuse, mate.
Yeah.
Bad time. Yes, the £100 giveaway. It's still on the go. Obviously, we've not hit 500 yet. So as soon as we hit 500, that will be given away. So the sooner we get to that, sooner someone wins £100. So
hurry the f up.
Yeah.
can't say that to the viewers, Mark.
Don't Mark.
Fuck's sake.
Exactly. Yeah,
Slander Mark in the comments.
yeah, it's alright, you can do that, yeah. And you've already done the like comment bit, have you?
Yeah.
Well, you know what to do. Stay jolly.